Okay, hello everyone. Today I will introduce about our project for IST753. Our professor is BA. So let me give a brief introduction of this project. In this project, we will simulate the situation that to configure the IP phone for a company, both on the branch and the headquarters. So this router works as the router for the headquarters. This one works as the router for the branch, and we also have two switches here. This switch is for headquarters, and this switch is for branch. And we also use another router works as the internet. So as you can see, the headquarters router connects to the headquarters switch and the internet. Also, the branch router connects to the branch switch and also the internet. We also configure the IP stack between the headquarters and the branch, so that this router can communicate with each other by internet VPN. And after we configure it well, you can see we have a hard phone here. The number is 1111. This IP phone connects to the branch, and we also have a soft phone. The number is 2222. This phone connects to the headquarters. So now I will dial the number from headquarters to branch. Yeah, as you can see, the IP phone connects to the branch. It's ringing. It means that this project is doing well. So let me show you the configuration we have on the switch and the router.
So basically here it is the same topology as the real devices. Just have one more branch here. So we have the headquarters, branch 1 and branch 2. All three routers connect to the internet router. And the IP address I assigned to the internal of the company. All of the IP address are begin with 10. As you can see here, it's 10.2.2.1. Here's 10.1.2.1. And for the internet, I put three public IP address here: 1.1.1.1, 2.2.2.1, 3.3.0.1. Just because it is simple. So let's go to the headquarters configuration. Firstly, I configure the IP stack, the VPN connection between the headquarters and the branches. So as you can see here, the capital as kept. The policy number is 10, and the authentication is the way is pre-shared key. It's in the group 5, and the lifetime is 1800. So later I configure the key for that. The key I put here is IST753. It is our port number. And also here, the address here, it is another site, or say another peer of the IP connection, the IPsec connection. This IP address is all here. But because I have two IPsec connection, so that's why this one is here. This one is the IP address for this one. The transform site, the name I put here is iSchool-VPN. You can put anything you want. It doesn't make a lot of matter. And the way is triple S and amplified. And later I configure the crypto map. Set another peer just as I said the IP address is for this one, for this peer. And the transfer site is iSchool-VPN. Just as this one. And match the address 102. This is access list here. Because as I said that all the IP address internal the company is begin with 10. So basically it is allowed all the traffic begin internally. And after configure the crypto map, we have to assign it to a port. Oops. Yes, so you can see it's a fast Ethernet 0/J0. Assign it to this port. Yeah, basically it's this one. And also on the branch, it has a similar configuration. The policy, the key, the transform site. Only difference is that the peer is different. The peer will be all here, and also the this access list number is different. But they're talking about the same thing. And also it is assigned to the port. Okay. After configure this, the IPsec connection will be connected. That headquarter and branch can talk via the internet VPN. After I configure the VPN, I start to configure the VLANs for both the IP phone and the workstation. So to make it communicate well, I configure the sub interface on the router. Yeah, of course we have to put a encapsulation here as a, because it will connect to the switch and the link will be as a trunk. So 1.1 is sub interfaces which will connect to the data VLAN. And 1.10 will be the VLAN for voice. This sub interface is for the VLAN voice. The IP helper here is for the DHCP server. You can see I put a DHCP server. Also, we can configure the DHCP on the router.